Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode's cool right here, and basically what these are some dryer sheets that's also like a fabric softener. So see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and it comes in a pack of 120 of these. So if I can see right here, this one's actually very different than the other bounce that I tested in the past. If you guys don't remember what I'm talking about like the regular bounce dryer sheets that doesn't have everything that you guys see on here. Just the fact that these are pet hair and lint guard. So these are actually really useful if you guys have pet. So that way essentially remove and stick a lot of the pet hair on your clothes out onto the sheet right here, which is pretty awesome. And usually for like the regular dryer sheets that's from this brand, they give you guys like 240 or 480. Basically, you guys get a lot more than what you guys get on here. But basically what's very different about these versus those is the fact that these sheets are a little bit bigger, and it also actually has a lot more absorbent in terms of like absorbing like the lint and also the pet hair off your clothes. If you guys can see right here, they even mentioned that it's designed for pet owner and you don't have to use the lint roller as much. And then for this product, it is the fresh scent. I believe they have these for like other scent as well. I know for like the regular one, they do have other scent, but I'm not too sure if they have other scent for this product in particular. And we see the back right here, they tell you guys some more information as well. So I use these versus the regular one. These are actually much bigger than right here compared to the regular one right here. So one of these equals 3 of these right here for the regular one. That's why you guys don't get as much in this package right here. But let's open up and show you guys what's included inside first. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see there's 2 different packs on here. So I'm assuming there's 60 in here and 60 in here. But let's take it out. Alright, you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So there's 60 in here and 60 in here. And both of these are basically the same thing, where it's actually meant for like pet hair and pet owners and everything. But since both of them are the same thing, let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically want to peel off the part here on top and open it up. And when you guys open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys take out one of the sheets, this is basically how big it is. If you can see, it's actually really big compared to your normal ones. So right here, if you can see, we have the regular bounce right here, and this is the one with 240 sheets. They do have different packaging in terms of how many is actually included in the actual box. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like compared to the actual big one. So I basically want to open up this part right here. So when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks like. And when we compare it to the big one that we have right here, like if you guys look at it side by side, there's definitely a huge difference. There's literally like 3 of these for 1 of these right here. So if you guys don't need so much, then you can definitely go for a smaller package right here. But if you guys want more, if you guys have a bigger load, or if you guys have pet hair or whatever, the bigger one here is probably more ideal for you guys. But you guys can always add more of these at once instead of adding one of these right here. But this is basically what it looks like if you guys do a side by side comparison between both of these right here. So if you guys do plan on using this, you probably want to like cut it in half or something if you guys don't have a lot of clothes. But if you guys do have a huge load, then definitely just dump this whole entire sheet in. So not only does it help you guys remove like pet hair and lint, but also works as a fabric softener as well. And also if you guys are curious about what are the benefits of using the dryer sheet or softener, it basically helps you guys remove pet hair and lint, but they also do a lot of other stuff as well, such as helping with wrinkles, static, and the list goes on. So literally all you're gonna do is just take one of these sheets and throw it into your dryer and just put it along with all your clothes, and then you guys are all set to use it. Once you guys have finished drying your clothes, then you guys are all set. You can just toss this away. If you guys want to use it, you probably can, but it's not really recommended for you guys to use it. Usually after you guys use it one time, then you can just toss it away. So like I mentioned earlier, if the sheet is too big for you guys, you can definitely probably just cut it in half and just save the other half for next time. But this is basically what the product looks like. Now the unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are a pet owner and you guys have a lot of pet hair or clothes or whatever, these actually work really well. Ever since I got and tried these actually work really well. This is probably like the 6th or 7th time that I purchased this already, and it actually works really well. So they did not lie when they actually mentioned how it's 3 times better or 3 times stronger in terms of like removing lint and also removing pet hair when you guys use this versus the regular one. So if you guys do have trouble removing lint or pet hair off your clothes, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.